So today we're taking a break from the Mustang to do a little work on this 88 1500 Chevy that we just got. We're going to do some welding here because I don't know who welded this on, but it broke off there. It broke off of here, and I guess, I don't know, but it was making a lot of noise, so I'm going to fix it. So let's make us a piece. We're going to make a piece that we're going to weld it up in here straight down so it can't move too much. Then we're going to take this piece and go down here. Okay, so we're going to take a piece of this and weld it on over there. So let's do that. So we can get going on this stuff. Breaking everything. Everything keeps breaking. Alright, so I'm thinking. So the plan is, let's see if I can get you set up here. Oh. I'm gonna try to show you here. I'm gonna go to the side here, which you can see, but I'm gonna do it right there, and then raise this up and then hit it. Can't show you, but just me today to there. Let's try that. We're good. We are good. Here we go, guys. Okay, now, oh shit. Alright, let's see here. I want this. That's what I wanted. So, I'm gonna get some. Oh, dang, it's tangled in my wires here. Maybe. This. Bring this away. Very nice. Need you about right there, partner. Here, let's do the top of this some more. It's going to be okay. that falling off again. Let's come back and look at that. Kind of want to do the other side too. So I'm gonna get you guys here and show you this fantastic. Oh man, you guys are stuck on there now too. Working pretty good. Anyhow, let me pull you back. There you go. So now we've got. I don't even know if you can see it. There's a hole right there. Right there. From where the other piece was. So now I gotta try to patch that up. And then I'm gonna weld this side and this side still. It should be pretty sturdy. And then hopefully it's heading up here. I'll try to get you up here to see. Woo! So if you can see right there where the carrier bearing sits on that brace there, the exhaust is hitting. And hit it. See, I don't like that. Nobody wants to hear knocky knocky on the exhaust. I can't see anything in this helmet of hell. Still can't see. Yeah. Oh man. Oh, hold on. Yeah. I can't see. Wow. Looks like a ding dong. You weld much, bro? Apparently not. Oh, okay, I gotta take that off. Eyes closed now. Now. Oh. Oh. Yo. Okay. Get it? Okay. There we go. Yeah, you know, I don't know. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Ta-da! Okay, so I got that welded up on there. A nice little booger there. It's not hitting here anymore. That's nice. It's good and sturdy. I still hear something hitting, and I want to know what it. You know, I might even take that here, this old one, and maybe tack one on there. I mean, this exhaust isn't staying on here. We're gonna straight pipe it and new muffler, make it sound better. We're definitely gonna lower it. Just trying to get all the other odds and ends done first. Somebody put a weird a brake line on there. And just don't need that. It's too long, but that's fine. We'll just bend it all around. Okay, so I got a little tack on there right there. Nothing special, just hold it. It's even tighter now, which is nice. I don't hear anything clanking other than the whatever's loose on the bumper here, which is nice because you driving it was like and you don't. I don't want to hear that. I think we're gonna have to find a rear end for this. It sounds like it's going out. I know GM has that weird sound on the rear ends, but this is pretty loud. We've had a few Chevys, Tahoes, so they all sound a howling sound. And then what I'm going to try to get to this weekend is the U-joint here. So let me see if I can scoot back. This U-joint's bad. It is. And you hear that? It's just wiggling all around. I thought it was the transmission mount, but it had a vibration in it like at 40, 45, but then as you went faster, it would go away, but it was still there, and I feel like it's this because I think the seal might be leaking back here anyway, so when we do it, we might as well put a new seal in the back. And then, yeah, he's already put a carrier bearing in here, which is good. That's what the Dodge D200 needs right now. I can't find one. But yeah, we're going to take all this old muffler crap off, put a good sounding one. I'm thinking about going with I don't know yet. Flowmaster, maybe. I don't know, something with good sound in it. But yeah, so that's where we're at, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, so I dug this out of the shed, and I think I'm going to put this grill in place of that grill. I think that grill will look way better on this truck. Get rid of the old work truck stuff looking truck, you know, 'cause we're going to lower it, make it look nice, put a nice grill on it. What do y'all think?